out like a power outage, 'cause all the lightning in your best pink showers. I can feel the mist every time we kissed. Just didn't know downpour like this. There's a flash flood warning till we wake up in the morning. Baby bottles in the bed, the weatherman said, but the rain is coming. Hi guys, the song that we'll learn today is a song by Jamie Foxx. The title is Storm. It's from the album Unpredictable. It's a great song. The chords are fairly repetitive. There's actually only 4 chords in the song. And it's a fairly standard R&B chords. So that's everything really. Okay, so the first note is a D flat major 7. Okay, so way up in the 9th fret. Or alternatively, you can play it at the 4th fret. Okay, it all works. And then the next chord is a C minor 7. Or you can play it here. And then the next chord is a B flat minor 7. Sorry, you don't play the bottom string. Or here. And then the last chord is a A flat major 7. Okay. So the intro, the verse, and the chorus, they all share the same chords. Okay, so and then slap, 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 and go back. Right. Now there is a bridge which I'll play right now, and then I'll show you guys how to play it. So that part is a B flat minor 7. Okay, so that's when it sings It's Cloudy Skies. And then the next chord is a C minor 7. Okay, and then you go back to the B flat minor 7. And then you go to a G major 7. A flat major 7. And then you go back to a B flat minor 7, and then C minor 7, and then when he sings Rain on Me Tonight, you play D flat major 7, and then an E flat. E flat is the only new chord here. Right, so. Rain on me tonight. Okay, and literally that's the whole song, so you guys enjoy. It's a great song, but yeah, have fun.